Hey guys, this is True to Slice Concessions. I know it's the end of the day, so you gotta clear out the machine, so we're gonna show you how to do that. Alright, first we're gonna get a bucket, and we're gonna have to put the machine on wash. Okay? Make sure you don't put it on auto, because it's gonna keep freezing the product while it tries to come out, and it's gonna be a little harder. So, with your machine on wash, we're gonna empty out the mix. If your mix is still good to use, you can refrigerate it and let it thaw out, and you can put it back in and use it again if it's still within a good time period, okay? So after you empty out your mix, you will want to rinse out your machine. For our setup, we actually have a hose that we can do this with. You may have to get buckets of water, whatever your setup may be. So we're going to start by rinsing out the top of the hopper. And you're going to do this process and rinse it out until the water starts coming out clear on the bottom. So you're going to have to rinse this a couple of times, but the idea is to rinse everything out of the barrel so that there's no hard ice cream or it's too cold, you know, it's going to give you frostbite. So we're just going to do this process a few times until it's clear, and then we're going to show you how to take out the parts you're cleaning. Now that you have your machine all rinsed out, what you're going to do is you're going to turn your machine off for safety, and then you're going to start removing the head bolts to take off the door. It's good to have a bucket handy or, you know, a bin, just so you can get all of it to the sink to wash. Alright, so with the head bolts off, you're going to take the base plate off. Okay, same deal. Take out all your parts. All these O-rings will have to be removed and cleaned under. Anything that seems broken or leaking that occurs, just replace the O-ring and you're good to go. Pin out, plunger out, handle out, all the O-rings. Everything off. Then take out your auger. Around this time, same thing. If the blades are worn, replace the blades and you'll be good to go. Oops, I need a rag. There we go. Get your shaft out, and that's pretty much it. Get your parts, hand wash them, air dry them, sanitize them, and you should be good to go. Thanks for checking out our video, and for any more information on ice cream machines, check us out at sliceconcessions.com. See you there.